Unveiling the truth about cholesterol, myths and facts. You've probably heard it all your life. Cholesterol is the bad guy, clogging your arteries and leading to heart disease. You've been told to steer clear of eggs and butter like they're the enemy. But what if I told you that a lot of what you think about cholesterol is actually off base? What if the real troublemakers are lurking in your pantry and cholesterol isn't the villain you've been led to believe? In this video, we're going to break down the biggest myths about cholesterol and uncover the real facts. Myth number 1. Eggs are bad for you because they are high in cholesterol. Let's kick things off with our first myth. Many folks think that eating eggs is a no-go because they're high in cholesterol. But here's the scoop. For most of us, enjoying eggs in moderation is perfectly fine. In fact, eggs are low in saturated fat, which is more closely linked to raising cholesterol levels. Research shows that for the majority of us, dietary cholesterol doesn't have a huge impact on our blood cholesterol levels. So if you love eggs, go ahead and add them to your meals. Myth number 2. All saturated fats are harmful. Next up, let's tackle the idea that all saturated fats are bad for you. Sure, some saturated fats can bump up LDL cholesterol, but not all saturated fats are created equal. Take coconut oil, for example. It might affect your body differently than the saturated fats found in animal products. The key is to pay attention to where the fat comes from and your overall eating habits, rather than just labeling all saturated fats as harmful. Myth number 3. Dietary cholesterol directly raises blood cholesterol levels. Now onto our third myth. A lot of people believe that if they chow down on foods high in cholesterol, like shrimp or butter, their blood cholesterol will shoot up. But here's the reality. For most people, dietary cholesterol doesn't have a significant effect on blood cholesterol levels. Your body actually makes most of its cholesterol, and what you eat matters less than you might think. So feel free to enjoy a variety of foods without stressing about spiking your cholesterol. Myth number 4. High cholesterol always means high risk of heart disease. Let's clear up a common misconception that high cholesterol always means you're at a high risk for heart disease. This is a bit of an oversimplification. Cholesterol isn't inherently bad. It plays vital roles in your body, like helping produce hormones and keeping cell membranes healthy. What really matters is the type of cholesterol. For instance, high levels of HDL, the good cholesterol, can actually protect your heart, while high levels of LDL, the bad cholesterol, can increase your risk of heart disease. It's essential to look at the whole picture, not just the numbers. Myth number 5. You should avoid all fats to lower cholesterol. Finally, let's bust the myth that you need to cut out all fats to lower cholesterol. In reality, healthy fats, like those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil, can actually help improve your cholesterol levels. These good fats can raise HDL cholesterol and lower LDL cholesterol when enjoyed in moderation. So instead of eliminating fats altogether, focus on adding healthy fats to your diet. Conclusion. So what have we learned today? Cholesterol isn't the enemy it's been made out to be. By understanding the myths and facts surrounding cholesterol, you can make smarter choices that support your health. Remember, it's not just about cholesterol levels, it's about your overall lifestyle, including what you eat, how much you move, and how you manage stress. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could use this info. And don't forget to subscribe for more content that empowers you to take charge of your health. For more in-depth resources, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and remember, knowledge is power when it comes to your health.